PowerFactory, there is an option as a sensitivity analysis for power systems. So here we have this sensitivity analysis, and we want to apply for 2D transmission system example. So first, what is this sensitivity analysis? For example, we can see injecting or absorbing 1 megawatt power in one of the bus bars will have which impact in other components. For example, if we inject 1 megawatt power to this bus bar with anything, then the power flow to this line, these transformers will change, and other line also will change. And also it will have impact on the voltage and the losses in all of the power system. To doing that, if you go to additional functions, here we have the option for sensitivity analysis. By default, nothing is selected, but you can select bus bar, and from here you can select one bus bar. It's not matter where. And here in the result, it say was the threshold for recording of the dp to dp and dq to dp. So by default is 0.1. If you execute, for visualizing of this output, you should click on report, and here you can say which kind of reports or results you want to see. So first, we want to see only these options, and here you can see if we inject in this bus bar in NW02 1 megawatt, what will happen to the power flow of other lines or bus bars or components, for example here transformer. So if we inject 1 megawatt power to this bus bar, 0.19 megawatt will be changed in power of this line, this line, this line. For example, you can see different numbers out here. If we want to see, for example, how is the impact of that one on losses, voltage, or something, then we can select the second option. And here you can see, for example, how is the impact of losses of this line, how is the impact of in other component, for example, also losses on the transformer and other variables. Here also there is other options. For example, here you can see how is the impact on the reactive power if we inject, for example, 1 megavar and 1 megavar. So here also we can see how is the impact of injecting of reactive power in the bus bar and what will happen to the rest of the power system. Here also you can add, for example, the tap changer if you want to see how is the impact of the tap changer, the sensitivity analysis of the tap changer, and also the HVDC systems.